Alright, so this is the kitchen. It's got a lot of floor damage due to water leaking into this window. I'm going to re-support it so that we can work in here safely and not have to tiptoe around because there's a lot of really soft spots like right there on the floor. You can feel that part right there is caved in. So let's try to make this area safer so we can work in it. Point proven.
Yeah? Okay. That's recording, actually. You already recorded it in here, right?
Yeah, I did. Okay. I showed them the shaft goes to the floor and then tried to fall through it. So the point that the floor was dangerous was proven.
There.
Also,
just take these and put them somewhere.
What are they? Oh, I know what these are. These are
like an egg cooker.
No, it's not, you weirdo. This is where you put the little like congregation cups in there, and then you take the little sips of grape juice from them.
Yeah.
And then you put the crackers on this side.
Yeah, supposedly. You know what? I'm not even gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna say it.
No, we didn't ask for your religious views. So why don't you show us how to fix this place?
Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it.
That's where I almost fell through. Can you feel it? Can you feel the anxiety I had?
I'm trying to figure out where.
What's wrong with the tiles? They're like held on. Mother. Okay, I guess I'll go on the other side and do the same.
Well, I'm trying to figure out where in the heck the joists are.
Can I get past this like an arm?
Drop the glass.
Oh my god, nothing.
Yeah, find the joist. You gotta find the joist in order
I'm just gonna.
This is why we're putting this down.
This looks safe. Oh, oops.
Some of the trash that we need to get out of here. Watch out for glass.
God, this stuff is really rotted.
I know it is.
Can the camera see that?
Holy mackerel, that's not even wood.
This is fiber.
Well, it's wood, but it's.
This is part of the board. This isn't even part of the board. It's the stuff that's glued together.
Yeah, it's the like.
Layers glued together.
It's veneer. It's that stuff right over there. That's what it is. That's what they put down under. Okay, well, we gotta get the camera over here. This is somebody. I don't know who's. This is somebody's brilliant idea. Hold on, let me get the camera loose.
Mom's like, so this person.
I don't know whose brilliant idea this was, but.
Oh my god, it really is. No wonder this damn floor fell apart.
If you're doing remodeling, I gotta find a safe spot.
Right here, you could probably step.
You see that right there?
Oh, this like.
Hold on. Let me show them. That is that right there. The entire floor is made from veneer siding,
which is about this thick, by the way.
Yeah,
so it's like that. It's like less than my finger.
Yeah.
It's like that thick. It's not.
In front of the camera lens, not the.
Whatever. It's like that thick. It's not even that thick.
Yeah.
It's like the equivalent of paper thin for flooring.
Yeah.
In fact, it's not even
up to. This whole floor is made from veneer siding.
This isn't even up to code.
No, not even close.
If this was code, it'd be broken and compressed.
They put that stuff down, and then they covered it with a tile, so you couldn't tell what it was. That is crazy. That is crazy dangerous.
That's crazy lazy. Hey, that rhymes. Crazy lazy.
That is just insanely dangerous. All right, let's.
So there's just
a
bunch of absent space underneath all these. There's nothing supporting my weight right now except for one joist I think I found.
Okay, if you found a joist, then probably won't fall through the floor. Let's get these panels down.
Mom, where are we gonna attach it to though? There's nothing to attach it to.
We'll have to find the joist and attach it to the joist.
Oh, that was last thing.
Yeah, don't cut yourself. For sure, don't cut yourself. You know what?
That's the joist right here.
How are these joists running? That's what I want to know.
That's
Because
not a joist right that you're standing on.
yeah, I know, but there's no here.
If
Get
I
back.
can-
I'm gonna.
Mom, I can't. The floor's. Let's just tear apart the floor I'm standing on.
Well, that was the general idea.
That's rude. Get that glued on. Mom, can I move, please? This is my happy place.
I'm trying to. Is there any joists
Mom,
over
pass
here?
me the camera so I can put it in the room and they can see what we're doing. I'm just gonna put it on the veneer over here.
If I can get it through the door here. Hold on.
I got it in through here with the video. I didn't even do it. Hi, it's me again. Did you miss me? There's danger in every corner. Can you see me?
Here, go around behind it and see where it's pointing. Because I had it pointed down towards the floor. It's safer over by the door. I think they actually may have put plywood over there.
They put veneer. What? Also, the terrified screams. They add flavor to the video, just so you know.
The terrified screams add flavor. Yeah, I'd agree with that. I guess. You know, hopefully there's no rattlesnakes under here or something.
Oh my God! Stop it! You make me never want to come in here again.
All right, I'm pulling up some of the stuff. I gotta find a joist.
The first sight of a rattlesnake, I'm peeing myself with the baby outside and running.
Alright, there is actual plywood underneath some of this.
Can you feel the safety regulations being broken?
I think I found.
That's a joist right there.
This is definitely a joist of some kind.
We're gonna have to completely redo this floor.
Oh, all this has to come out. All this has to come out. Oh, that's not a joist.
Mom, why would you stand on it then?
I'm standing on a joist right now.
They put a frame down for the flooring and didn't put down the flooring.
Demolition, oh, you know what? We should really have our masks on.
Ah, yes. Always wear your masks if you're working with more children. Mom?
It's pissing me off.
Well, why don't you go get us some masks then, you crazy demolition lady?
Okay, that's definitely a joist right there.
Well, yeah, I know. That's the only thing I clung to life to when I was over there.
So that's definitely a joist. Well, we're just looking for joists. We're really just looking for joists.
Well, I can't find a joist about...
So this is a joist.
I bet you there's one right back here. Like, hang on. I bet I can fill this up. There's an RP. This is pretty solid. Alright. I'm going to detach this from the mount, actually.
Here, move it back over there a little bit so it's out of our way.
Hello, subscriber. Are you entertained? Okay, I think that's about the angle I want.
The good news, I don't think this is asbestos.
Well, I'm so glad to hear that after not wearing a mask in your mom.
Yeah.
Can you tell we're amateurs? Oh my God, it stinks like stuff. Stuff that comes out the other end.
We really ought to go get masks on.
Can you go grab me one?
Come on, let's go get masks. We gotta go out to the truck because...
Sorry.
Do you want to pause the video, please?
No, I don't want to walk in here.
Hit the record button and it should pause.
This isn't working.
Alright. So now we've got masks, but the glasses fog up super bad. Maybe if you hold them put them a little bit away from the... That's better. Put them a little bit away from your face. Like, don't have them tight, just pull them a little bit away. There.
It's not working! Why did you do this?
It's tried, just put it out there somewhere.
Why did it explode? Like,
hey, look, a spider.
what? Keep him to yourself. His name is Fred now, and he's not my friend.
Fred is not your friend?
No! Fuck off! Why are you fighting me?
Alright, here. No, I just knocked him off the board. Here.
Oh, I was gonna say you're a Fred murderer.
No clue what that is. Alright, let's go ahead and,
Wait, you just turn the camera back on?
yeah, I turned the camera back. Hey, look, a fork.
Hey, that's my fork. You can't have that fork.
I don't know who this was. I don't know who this was.
Hang on, I'm curious. I want to see the thing.
I can't see. Hold on. Oh, it's a breeze coming through there.
It hasn't been recording the last several minutes.
God damn it.
Mother. Alright, so that
should have been. Oh,
I pressed the button and I think it stopped. Anyway, that's what you stand right there with your foot is a rotted joist from the water damage.
There. Okay. Hey, I got another joist right here, I'm pretty sure.
And there's another joist
so
there.
Here.
Ah! Jesus Christ.
I'm trying to find another joist.
It's right here, Mom.
That's a long span for a joist. That's a really long span.
It's possible it's completely rotted. Oh my God! Oh my goodness, look at that. That's horrible. I don't even know much about rentals.
Hey, look. At least you know that you won't fall very far now.
What's right below it? Concrete?
I don't know if it's concrete or dirt.
Ah! I can't tell.
I think it's dirt.
Well, on the plus side, I'm not going to fall to my death. On the minus side, snakes and spiders.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna
So
put...
that's why we can't find the joist. It's just wood laid down on the dirt or concrete or whatever this is. See? This joist isn't even attached. That's why we can't find them in logical places.
Alright, here, put this back on the stand, Mom.
Okay. Alright, so now we know
That we're not
you know what? We're not even going to screw it down. We're just going to lay the OSB down just so we don't break an ankle. Because now that I know that I'm not going to fall 3 or 4 feet, I'm not nearly as concerned about it.
Hang on, do we have a spade or something so I can see if that's concrete or dirt?
I did not bring any kind of
Tools?
digging tools, yeah.
Oh my God. Hello, Fred. How are you? I met Fred's mom. She's a lovely lady.
Lovely 8-eyeballed lady.
Oh yeah. I think that's concrete.
Is that concrete?
I think so.
It doesn't make a whole lot of sense though, does it?
Yeah, that's concrete.
Okay, is that that's concrete?
I'm almost certain of it.
Okay.
All this brown stuff I'm betting is wood rot.
Yeah, it's all wood rot. So
What's your money?
we'll just take the, like I said, at least I know now that I'm not going to fall,
Very
you know,
far.
3 or 4 feet down.
There's some exposed nails and stuff over here. We still gotta be careful.
Yeah, you still got to be careful, but I'm not even worried about screwing these down now. Now that we know what's underneath there. But that's why we can't find joists in any kind of logical location. It's just laid down
Look, Fred's wife.
and
Sorry.
screwed on, and people just screwed the boards to it. This is definitely coming out.
Oh yeah.
Actually, here, let's hold on.
What are we doing?
Here, move that one over here so that we can be getting to this side.
You can't push it there. That way you're gonna have to grab it.
this one here, and then we'll bring the other one in and put it over there.
Like that?
Yeah. And I'm sure that this window here and that window there has caused most of the damage here. Oh, watch out. It's not quite as scary when you know you're not going to fall down. It still can break an ankle though.
Mom, did you just fall to the floor?
Yes, I did.
Mom proceeds to immediately break ankle.
Yeah, that's pretty much how. Well, at least I didn't break my ankle. All right, that's much better. That's much better to walk on.
Okay.
That was the whole point of the OSB. Was to
Not die.
not die.
Which we weren't going to. We were just going to break our ankles and cry a little bit afterwards.
Oh, watch out! Get off the OSB. There. I'll feel better. Okay.
Okay. Now what?
Now I guess it's 5:45. We've been at this for about
5 o'clock
2 hours today. We can take 30 minutes and fill a bag of trash, and that's about it. Because, like I said, we can't work here during the nighttime because we have no light.
Because it's spooky.
So grab
we have
camera.
lives.
Grab a camera. Come up this way. I'll go get some trash there. I'll just get a trash bag.
Wait, are we cleaning or are we taking a break, you said?
Oh, do you want to take a break?
You said take a break.
Okay, let's take a break.
Wanna go Sonic?
Go ahead, Joe. We might want to turn off the camera there. Hey, look, we got chairs. Can you
Hey.
take a break? Incredibly dusty chairs.
Yes, a day in the
Now
life.
lots of chair breaks.
I would have laughed. A day in the life of Megan and Tammy. I guess enough of that for
Alright, go
now.
ahead and turn the camera